Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to bring up all the comments you have ever made on Instagram since you created your Instagram account. Here's how to bring it out. If you go to your Instagram, click on your profile at the bottom right corner. Click on the three lines. Now click on your activity. Click on comments. Here you're going to see all the comments you have ever made since you created your Instagram account. You can sort them by newest to oldest or oldest to newest. You can sort them by the dates, week, month, or past year. If you want to go to that comment, all you have to do is to click on it and it will take you directly to the comments. You can see right here, this is one I made 6 days ago. Here you can now delete it or do whatever you want to do with it. So that's how you bring up all your comments on Instagram. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.